Hey everyone, it's CP Bisho here, and today I am revealing the cold and hard truth behind the big question every affiliate marketer asks. Should I promote a product or a service? This question literally changed how I do affiliate marketing. And what about I am to share is not theory. I have tested both with the real traffic, real leads, and real data. So if you are tired of guessing, tired of zero conversion, stay with me. You are about to get clarity most affiliates never figure out. Why these mistakes? Before we dive into the data, let me quick explain why this decision is so important. Product or service behave very difficulty in affiliate funnels. One might get more clicks, the other gets more sales. One might give you instant commissions while the other builds long-term MRR, monthly recurring revenue. If you choose the wrong type for niche or audience, you could be leaving hundreds or even thousands of on the table. Let me prove it to you. So here's what I did. Over 90 days, I ran two side-by-side affiliate campaigns. Result product and info product, a 47 SEO course with 15% commission. SaaS tool service, a 29-month email marketing tool, recurring affiliate payouts. Same audience, same funnel structure, lead magnet, email sequence, affiliate CTA, retargeting. Here's what happens: click-through rate, CTR, product won 6.8% CTR versus 4.2% for the sales tool. Initial conversion, product win again, 7.5% conversion rate versus 4.9% of the service. But here's the when it gets interesting: refund rate. The product had a 13% refund rate, the service only 2%. A long-term earning LTV was 71 per user. The product float 23.50 per user after refund. So the short term the product win, long term the service crushed it. Psychology of buying. Why does it happens? Because of the psychology behind buying a product versus a service is different. Product, especially digital ones, are impulse buys. They solve on pain point fast, but they do not always create a long-term relationship. Service like tools, software, or subscriptions become part of your audience routine. Once someone sets up their email list or CRM with a tool, they already switch. So you, the affiliates, get paid again and again, even if you don't get more clicks. Let me give you the two explain from well-known affiliate programs. ClickFunnels service, some affiliates earn 500 to 2000 bucks per month just from a handful of users who stick with the tool. Udemy product, you might get 2 to 5 per sale, but the buyers is usually once and done. Now imagine promoting a tool like Jasper AI, GetResponse, or SEMrush. Even if only 10 people buy, and it's just 6 months, and you got the constant income. The difference between traditional versus transformational affiliate offers. Here's what I've learned: if you are starting out, promote products to get fast wins. It builds confidence and gets you commission quickly. But if you went to passive income, services are where the long-term magic happens. Here's my rule now: lead with value like a freebie or guide, then offer a service-based tool what solves a recurring problems. For example, free checklist, email sequence, promote convert kit, or system.io. You are not selling, you are recommending a solutions. I personally use a hybrid strategy. Lead magnets bring people in. I warm up them with the free product offers or ebooks. Then I recommended a service based on a tools in my emails. And guess what? I now get daily leads without ads and commission that stack up every month. I had some tools pay me for 18 plus months of a single sign up. No more caching, no sales every day. If I had it to start offer from scratch, I skipped product and straight to service with a funnel that builds trust. Products equal quick money but short term. Service equal slower start but long term income. If you are serious about affiliate marketing in 2025, build around recurring affiliates service now. I want to hear from you. Comment below, are you currently promoting product, service, or both? And if you want to see exactly how I build my funnel, watch my next video on the secret affiliate funnel that converts cold leads into buyers. I will link it below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this video valuable. See you in the next one.